guys, Rich from MJ Performance. Today I'd like to talk with Marty here, with our chief technician and owner of MJ Performance. We thought we'd do a little video together and show you what we've been doing with these two old classics. As you can see, they're used. They're not be afraid to be out in the wet, and we'll start with the RS2000 and what it came in for. I mean, I'll let Martyn, tell you what it came in for, and then we'll between us tell you, what we did to put it right. So, Marty, over to you.
Hi guys, local owner with this one, Martyn RS2000. As you can see, came into us with a transmission rattle, something going on the back end as well. So we checked it over. It runs the original two-piece prop. Well, it did. So we found there was a bit of play in the centre donut bearing. So we've replaced that with a single prop, and then we went onto the back end to investigate a bit of grabbing that was going on the rear diff.
Yeah, me and Marty took it to one of the meets, the RS meets, one night, and every time we went round the corner, the rear diff was grabbing and snacking badly. In these, you've got a plated diff, and it had gone out of adjustment. It was worn from being old, so we had one of our guys from Pro 4M take it apart, and he rebuilt it for us, did some mileage, and now it seems to be working well. Marty also thinks with the addition of a one-piece prop instead of a two-piece, there's more direct to the rear diff, then that accentuates the grabbing.
Yeah.
So it may be why it pulled the problem up.
I mean, the diff is with a single piece prop, changed it a bit. That rear diff's working a bit harder then, which is great because that's what you want it to do. Right, just carrying on with the spec of this RS2000, guys. Now under the underside of the bonnet, it came to us like this. We haven't actually done anything on the engine side, so this one's got a few little tweaks on it. Runs Weber twin 45s on it, oil catch can, breather setup, so it all looks pretty pretty. It's got the strut brace on it as well. We're not sure if any internal mods have been done on this. I think from what we can gather, it still runs the stock internals. It's not too aggressive, as Rich said. We took it up to the RS club meeting, Dartbridge Inn, and it drives very well.
The owner, as you can see, he's added electronic ignition. This is what they call the World Cup cross member, pretty standard on the old Fords. There's an adjustable fuel pressure regulator when you fit the cards. But for you guys who don't know about the old school stuff, this is what it's all about. Simple engineering. You can fix this thing basically, well, they say you can, with an adjustable spanner and a hammer, bit of string. It's not like the modern cars where you've got computer technology that can go wrong. This thing is so straightforward. It's easy to find a fault, and it's old school engineering. Yeah, we love it, and hope to see it here a lot more being maintained by Marty and the guys.
Yeah, as Rich said, we'll be looking after this now. He's a local customer, older chap. But as you can see, like Rich said in the beginning, they're not afraid to use these cars. They're out in, we can see, out in all weather. So same as the Cosy, same as the Focus Mark II RS behind us. So that's great. We'd like to see that. Right, guys, we'll now give you a quick rundown of the interior of this Mark II RS2000. As you can see, it's been retrimmed, but done very well. Got the original roll tops, which is great. Back seats are all good. Rich knows about the back seat, as he was sat in that when we went up to Dartbridge Inn. Not terribly comfortable, Rich, is it?
No, it's a shame you haven't got smell-o-vision, because it's got the old car smell. There's just the smell of 30 years of farts and bits and pieces, but it's just
they don't make them like this anymore, do they, Rich?
No,
you get all the rattles and squeaks and bangs and
but no, it's got
part of it, isn't it?
That lovely old car smell that you just don't get with modern cars. Yeah, it's beautiful.
Yeah, it's been done very well. I mean, it's got the RS steering wheel on there, which is great. All the door cards all the headlining. It's a very good example. It's been well looked after, and it's had a fair bit of money spent on it to get it back to this. But we love it. It's great. Love the new stuff, but we also love the old stuff. So
yeah. Well, if you like what you see, guys, as always, like, comment, subscribe, big thumbs up, and yeah, just keep on watching.
Don't
Nice
forget,
to see you.
comments down below. Hit that bell button, as Rich says.